Jack of all, master of none. The old adage, someone who's well diversified in what they do, but never really spends enough time to become an expert. I live it. Maybe many of you can relate. Whether you're self-employed, doing your own thing, or you just happen to tackle as many things as possible. Sometimes you run into knowledge barriers. Oftentimes you run into knowledge barriers, and they can be a real drag. They can take you away from what you want to be doing. Right now, you might be able to hear my computer chugging away. I have to reinstall a graphics program, GIMP. I had made a number of changes to my computer, including installing several different programs. I recently updated Windows, and all of a sudden, GIMP, when I take one of my layered graphics files and export that as a PDF, the fonts get all wonky. And it did the obligatory online searching, checked the forums to see if there was any singular answer for that. I couldn't find anything. It's across the board what it could possibly be. And so I do the easy things first, right? You reboot. Is it just a glitch, something going on? Didn't work. Now I'm reinstalling the software. I checked my fonts libraries to see if they were still intact, and they work fine. They're working fine in other programs. I don't know what it is. Trying to do all these things. I can't send it off to IT. I am IT. Yeah. Jack of all, master of none. It's fun though. Learning new stuff. There's this broad increase in quality of life for someone who likes to do. Whether you're doing it in the shop or you're doing it on the computer, doing it in the kitchen. If you can do it yourself and do it well, heck, if you can do it yourself and get away with it, kudos to you. Don't let a lack of mastery get in your way of doing it. It takes a little effort, and there are pitfalls sometimes, but the rewards are far greater. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to get this program sorted out, and I'm going to get these documents created that I need to send off to a client, and I'm going to have a good day. Hope you do too.